Hey everybody, guess what's in the bag? And welcome to Cool Tools. Today I'm doing a fabric haul from the Kansas City Maker Studio and Fabric Shop that I taught at a couple weekends ago. If you remember, I did a 3-day workshop and it was held at this amazing store, and I took some photos and I shared them on my Instagram, but I also want to share them again with you here because I was blown away by how beautiful this store was and how amazing the classroom was. So I'm going to show this to you in a minute. Hold on. I just want to talk about a couple other things first. While I was in Kansas, I stayed with Karen, and she was the hostess with the mostest. We did a little private pants fitting. We did a little shopping in her fabric stash. She actually had the opportunity to drive past the Pendleton wool shop in Nebraska, and she would stop and buy fabrics, and she had a bunch of it, and she gave me this beautiful shirting weight Pendleton wool, which I used to make my shirt jacket while I was teaching for Fabric Mart this past weekend. The whole time I was working on this shirt jacket, it was a pain in my butt because it's got a completely same look front and back. There's no obvious right and wrong side, and it really was causing me fits because I had to triple check every time I was sewing something together to make sure I was sewing right sides together. So after I finished sewing it up, I slipped it on, and I will tell you that fabric quality matters. This feels like $1 million on me. It's so comfortable. It feels nice. It's going to wear really nicely. And that kind of segues my conversation to what's in this bag. The Kansas City Maker Studio and Fabric Shop has so much fabric, and they have fabric for every kind of sewing. So whether you're a quilter or a garment sewer, you're going to be in heaven there. And of course, I went right into the garment sewer nook and I found a few things that I'm going to share with you. But what I realized is I've been getting my flannel to make, cozy fall projects from Joann Fabrics. They have beautiful flannels, but I had no idea that there could be flannel the quality of what I'm going to show you that's in this bag. So after making this beautiful Pendleton wool shirt jacket, I have something in the bag to make another shirt jacket for my dad for Christmas, and I have a few other things in there I'm going to share with you. But before we do that, let's just take a little walking tour of the store. When you walk in, the register is right in front, and the store sort of goes back in both directions. It creates sort of a horseshoe shape. And you can see here is some of the beautiful samples above the registers when you walk right in. And then here are some shots of the corridor and also the little nooks where the fabrics are. And then take a look at this gorgeous classroom. This is Karen standing with Patty's husband, Dana, who was so helpful to get the classroom ready for me. This classroom has 2 big screen TVs, so I was able to connect my laptop up and do the slideshows of pattern grading and how to adjust a non-stretch pattern for stretch fabric so everybody could see. It was such a luxury experience. All of the tables in this studio raise up and down so you can get a comfortable height when you're working. It's so brightly lit. There is so much space to spread around. I was in heaven teaching in this classroom the entire weekend. I just wanted to share some of the inside of the store with you in case you live local to Kansas City and you haven't checked it out yet. Definitely check it out. If you live a couple hours away, it's definitely worth a road trip. But the other cool thing is they have a website, so you can go shopping online. And after I show you my fabric haul, I'm going to give you a special coupon code that Patty, the owner, gave to me to share with you. So if you'd like to go shopping at a discount, you can. So let's look and see what's in the bag. So the first thing I want to show you is that flannel. And like I said, I I was not familiar with this flannel. I'm embarrassed to say that I've never had a chance to see this. This is Mammoth flannel from Robert Kaufman. It is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wash this and make a shirt jacket for my dad. It is so soft, and you can see it's very tightly woven. It feels like a dress flannel. It doesn't feel like, the flannel you can get at Joann Fabrics. Let me just put it that way. I mean, I don't want to poo-poo the flannel at Joann Fabrics, though, because, that's nice too. But this is elevated. This is beautiful flannel. I can't wait to work with it. And because I was so excited about it, I also got a solid piece of this flannel, and this is very, very similar, and it's sort of a plum color. I'm going to make myself a pair of Sorsha Classic Slim trousers out of this flannel, and it will be a good test pair because if you remember when I shared my Metro Textile fabrics, I had that cashmere linen cotton blend. That was very pricey. This flannel was a very reasonable price. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was under $15 a yard, and it feels really lovely, and it's got a similar drape to that cashmere fabric I want to work with. So this is going to be my test pair of Sorsha Classic Slim trousers before I cut that cashmere. So I got those two cozy fabrics, and you're going to see there's a theme going on here. I also got this baby whale corduroy. It is so soft and cozy, and this is a color I am weirdly attracted to. It's like that chartreuse green color. If I put it next to my face, I would look sick, but for pants, it's going to work out great. So I'm going to make a pair of pants out of this baby whale corduroy. It feels like velvet. It is so nice and soft. And then, of course, I couldn't resist, and I'm going to take this last thing out of the bag, and you're probably going to think to yourself, you don't need another piece of this, but of course you do. This denim, which I have so much denim in my stash, it's embarrassing, but I'm always on the lookout for really, really nice denim, and this denim is really, really nice. It has just what I would consider just the right amount of stretch, which is really more of a mechanical give. I mean, it does stretch, but probably less than an inch per 10 inches, so less than 10% stretch. But this is going to be super comfortable. I'm going to be making a pair of jeans out of this, and just as a little spoiler alert, I'm going to be hosting a jean fitting class in the near future, probably, well, not during the holidays, but probably like in January, I'm going to be doing a jean fitting class. So look for that. And I will be working with this denim in the class. It feels nice. It's such a high quality denim. I couldn't resist. I had to get it. So everything except my dad's flannel is for pants or jeans. I was on a mission, but they have so many things to choose from. So if you're a quilter and you're always looking for unique fabrics, check them out for that. If you'd like to check out these cozy flannel fabrics, check that out. They also have some nice printed knits, and she ordered a bunch of knits to go that coordinate for the raglan sleeve top class, and they didn't come in time. So my guess is they're there now. So check out their knits section for some cool coordinating knits that would be perfect for a raglan sleeve top. So super excited about this store. If you'd like to go shopping and save 20%, you're going to use coupon code, I just want to get it right, STERN20. STERN20. So this coupon code is good until the end of October. So head over there. I'm going to put the link to their online shop in the description below. Check them out. Show them some love. I like to stress that I spend my money with companies run by nice people. These people are so nice. The staff was so accommodating. Everybody was so helpful and friendly, and you can tell they care about their customers. So please go check out the Kansas City Maker Studio and Fabric Shop. Link in the description below. Use Stern 20 if you see something that catches your eye, and then definitely share what you find. I'd love to see what you guys think of the store. I'd love to see what you guys picked out. You can let me know in the comments, or send me, you can email me pictures of your purchases. Just very exciting. I'm so excited for you to go check this store out. I think it's one of the nicest stores I've ever been to. Thank you so much for joining me for this special episode of Cool Tools, and I will see you tomorrow for Fit Tip Tuesday, when I'll be showing you how to do a high round back adjustment on a raglan sleeve top. So thank you for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.